Yesterday we introduced chapter 6 NCERT, given 2 video only for introduction. Today we study exercise 6.1. In exercise 6.1 for question 1 you are given a figure. In this figure you are given two lines AB and CD intersect at a point O. Also COE ray in which angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Your target to find angle BOE. The BOE means this angle and reflex angle COE means this angle. To solving this type of question, so please note that in your book there are two type of question. One question namely to finding question and other question to proving question. So to solving, you have to finding, you have to proving question, first write given term, then to find you have to prove, or next given solution you have to. Given write down with the help of question, then to find also write with the help of question and solution given by this. So according to question we may write given line AB and CD intersect at O, angle AOC plus angle BO is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. To find angle BOE and reflex angle CO, we have angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree. So these three angles are angles from same side of line. So we may write angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree because angles on same side of the line. In this we put value of angle AOC plus angle BOE. The value of angle AOC plus angle BOE is given 70 degree. So write down 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. Then transfer to this, you obtain angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70. You got angle COE is equal to 110 degree. But your target to find angle BOE. So next, now angle COE means this angle plus angle BOE means this angle or angle BOD means this angle. Also these three angles on same side of line CD. So certainly we may write angle COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD is equal to 180. Then put value of angles. The value of angle COE is 110. अभी हमने प्राप्त किया है. So in place of angle COE write down 110 plus angle BOE is your target plus in question given value of angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. So write down 40 degree is equal to 180. Then solve this. So 110 plus 40 means 150 and 150 transfer to RHS. You obtain angle BOE is equal to 180 minus 150. Angle BOE is equal to 30. Thus you obtain value of angle BOE is equal to 130 degree. Next, your target to find reflex angle COE. So again, reflex angle COE is equal to. We go to finding reflex value of any angles. We apply procedure 360 degree minus their internal value. तो अभी जैसे हमने एंगल COE की वैल्यू क्या निकाला है 110 हमें निकालना है क्या है, रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE। तो रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE इक्वल टू 360 माइनस 110 यानी वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल COE। तो इक्वल टू 360 minus 110 means 250. Thus, this question 1 is complete, and value of angle BO is equal to 30 degree and reflex angle CO is equal to 250. Okay. Next question number 2. About of question number 2, you are given figure 6.14. In this figure 6.14, line XY and MN intersect at O. Angle POX is equal to 90 degree. POX is equal to 90 degree. And A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3 to find value of angle C. इस क्वेश्चन में दो लाइन एक्स वाई और एम एन एक दूसरे को पॉइंट O पे काटते हैं, जहाँ पे एंगल POX 90 डिग्री है, A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3 है। हमें एंगल C की वैल्यू निकालनी है। फिगर देखो पहले, this is given figure. In this figure we observe that there are two lines XY and MN intersect at point O. Also OP is a ray in which angle POX means totally this angle is 90 degree. A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Your target to find this angle C. इस क्वेश्चन में एंगल C को फाइंड करना है। इसको भी सॉल्व करने के लिए वही पहले लिखोगे गिवन। गिवन लिखने का तरीका वही है, क्वेश्चन के हेल्प से क्वेश्चन को अपने लैंग्वेज में लिख दो। अपने लैंग्वेज में लिखने के लिए लाइन XY and MN intersect at O. Angle POX is equal to 90 degree. E is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. To find C. Solution. सॉल्यूशन देने के लिए फर्स्ट फिगर में वॉच करो, वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल POX is equal to 90 degree means this angle is 90 degree. This angle having two parts, namely angle A and angle B. Relation between angle A and B, ratio of these two angles is 2 is to 3. So according to ratio, we first find value of angle B और then apply linear form, find angle C. इसमें C को निकालने के लिए पहले हमें एंगल B को निकालना पड़ेगा। B को निकालने के लिए हम वॉच कर रहे हैं कि A और B दोनों ही एंगल POX के पार्ट और POX की वैल्यू क्या है 90 डिग्री। रेशियो ये रूल के अकॉर्डिंग पहले b की वैल्यू निकालो। b की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए यहाँ पे लिख देगा सिंस A/B=2:3 given sum of ratios number is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore b is equal to, the ratio for b is 3, so write down 3, and sum of ratio number is 5 upon 5 into total value of angle POS is equal to 90 degree, right, 90 degree. तो देन सॉल्व करेगा 18 और b इक्वल टू 3 इंटू 18 54। अब जैसे हमको निकालना है c, लेकिन निकल गया b, तो भी गलत है, तो गलत नहीं है, तो जब तक b नहीं निकालोगे c की वैल्यू नहीं मिलेगी। b निकालने के बाद से अब फिगर वॉच करो, तो MN इज स्ट्रेट लाइन, एंगल MOX एंड एंगल XON फॉर्मिंग ए लीनियर पेयर, तो सर्टेनली सम ऑफ लीनियर पेयर इज 180 डिग्री। तो वी राइट डाउन नाउ एंगल MOX प्लस एंगल XON इक्वल टू 180। रीजन दे दोगे लीनियर पेयर, MOX means B and XON means C, 180. Value of B you obtain 54. In place of B write down 54 plus C is equal to 100. Then to find value of C, transfer 54. You got C is equal to 180 minus 54. So C is equal to, अब 180 से 54 को माइनस कर दो, क्या मिलेगा 100 20। This question is complete. Next question study in next